Your marks may be perfect, your offer letter ready, but one wrong bank statement can destroy your visa. Yes, you have spent years getting to this point, so don't let a simple document mistake lead to a devastating visa rejection. Let's make absolutely sure that doesn't happen. But before starting, don't forget to subscribe and like GradOut. Welcome back to GradOut, and we are diving into the absolute biggest mistakes students make with the financial documents for a student visa, and more importantly, the proven fixes. If you're applying for a study permit in Canada, the US, Australia or the UK, this is your must-watch checklist for securing your proof of funds. The insufficient funds trap. The number one reason for a financial visa document rejection is simply not showing enough money. The mistake is not calculating the total cost accurately. Visa officers look for your first year's tuition plus living expenses, often standardized by the country. Many students only show the tuition deposit, so the keyword fixes always demonstrate the minimum funds required for student visa application and aim to exceed it by 10 to 15% as a buffer. Use the official government calculators for your destination country to get the exact amount. Actionable tip. If you have multiple accounts, consolidate them into one or two clear accounts and provide a simple, self-prepared summary sheet listing them all. This makes the visa officer's job easier. Mistake 2. The sudden deposit. Red flag. This is about the consistency of your bank statement for student visa. Visa officers want to see genuine, stable funds, not money quickly borrowed or placed just for the application. So the mistake, making a sudden large deposit just days before printing the statement. This instantly flags your application for potential fraud or misrepresentation. They need to know the source of funds. The keyword fix, the required time your funds must be seasoned in the account varies drastically by country. While the UK often requires 28 days, other popular destinations can require anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Plan ahead and check the specific minimum seasoning period for your destination to ensure your money has been in the account for the full required duration. Actionable tip. If a large deposit is necessary, include a brief official letter explaining the legitimate source of funds. For instance, this deposit is the proceeds from the sale of land, documented in the attached deed of sale. Now, mistake 3. The problem with sponsorship and gift deeds. Many students rely on family sponsors, which is fine, but the documentation must be flawless. The mistake, providing an incomplete or informal letter of support. An officer can reject a file if the financial relationship is unclear or the sponsor's work commitment is weak. The keyword fix, if you are using a financial sponsor, you need a formal commitment document, but remember that a gift deed is not universally accepted. Instead, provide a formal notarized affidavit of support or a similar declaration that is explicitly approved by your destination country's visa guidelines. It must clearly state the sponsor's relationship to you, example father or uncle, and their unconditional commitment to funding your studies. So actionable tip would be always include the sponsor's most recent tax returns and bank statements alongside your own. Show the officer the sponsors is both willing and able to support you. This simple oversight also adds unnecessary complexity and risk. The mistake, not converting your funds into the required currency like USD, CAD or GBP, using an official up-to-date proof of funds currency exchange rate. The keyword fix, convert the total funds into the destination country's currency on the day you compile the application. Provide a printout from a reliable source like a major bank's exchange rate page to show your calculation. If any document is not in English, it needs a certified translation. To guarantee success, remember these 3 steps clearly. Number 1 is calculate. Show the total tuition plus living expenses plus a buffer. Season. Check your destination country's rules for how long funds must be in the account. This is often called the seasoning period. Third, explain. Every large transaction and every source of funds must be backed by a clear and formal document. So if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Have you ever faced a visa rejection due to bank statement issues? Also let us know in the comments below. And do share your wisdom with others. And don't forget to check out our other videos pinned on the screen. And if you want to connect with us one-on-one, Google form link is in the description below. Also, you can get our personalized guide. QR is attached on the screen. And also you can connect directly with us by scanning the QR. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.